To approach social media marketing in 2024 as a beginner, follow this step-by-step ultimate guide. Define your objectives. Start by setting clear goals for your social media marketing efforts. These could include increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. Identify your target audience. Understand your ideal customers' demographics, interests, and online behavior to create targeted content that resonates with them. Choose the right platforms. Based on your target audience's preferences, select the social media platforms where they are most active. Common options include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Develop a content strategy. Plan the type of content you will create and share on each platform. This could include text posts, images, videos, stories, live streams, and more. Create a content calendar. Organize your content in advance by scheduling posts on a calendar. This helps you stay consistent and ensures you cover various topics and formats. Optimize your profiles. Make sure your social media profiles are complete, visually appealing, and consistent with your brand identity. Include relevant information, contact details, and links to your website. Build an engaging community. Focus on creating valuable, informative, and entertaining content that encourages interaction, comments, shares, and followers. Leverage influencers and user-generated content. Collaborate with influencers or encourage your followers to share their experiences with your brand, as this can help increase credibility and reach. Monitor and analyze performance. Regularly track your social media metrics, such as reach, engagement, and conversions, to understand what's working and adjust your strategy accordingly. Stay updated with trends and best practices. Continuously learn about new features, tools, and strategies to keep your social media marketing efforts relevant and effective. Remember, social media marketing is an ongoing process that requires patience, consistency, and adaptation. As you gain experience, you'll be able to fine-tune your approach and achieve better results.